Welcome back. Again, we will be discussing grade 11 and grade 12 level math competitive exam questions. And in this particular questions, we are looking at a geometry related problem. So here the problem states that there are two equilateral triangles. They are inverted or positioned such that they form a six-pointed star. And the configuration is such a way that if you take this line of the triangle, it is parallel to the other line of the other equilateral triangle. So each line of each side of an equilateral triangle is parallel to one of the side of the other equilateral triangle. So they're asking us what is the perimeter of this hexagon. Given that we have some of the values of the hexagon, some of the side lengths of the hexagon, two of them are missing. Even though they are missing, they want us to find what is the perimeter of this. Okay, so let us try to use some geometric properties related to parallel lines and also about properties of similar triangles. This properties of similar triangles is a concept that keeps coming again and again because of its importance. It is used widely across all math applications, and I talked about it specifically in Math Muse August 25 about its application in astronomy. Okay, now we'll start discussing this question. So let us, for sake of clarity, let us label this triangle. This is, let us say A here, B, C. This is E, F, G. Right, since this is both of them are equilateral triangles, right? Since both of them are equilateral triangles, each of the angle here is 60 degrees. Similarly, each of the angle here are 60 degrees. So we know that this is a 60-degree angle, right? Since both these lines are parallel and this line is cutting both of these lines, this angle will be equal to this angle. So since this is 60, this is 60. Since this is 60, this will be 60. So overall, this triangle is itself an equilateral triangle. Okay, and in an equilateral triangle, we know side of the one length of one side. So since this is 6, this will be 6. This will be 6. If we apply the same principle across all the sides, all the triangles, this will be 5. This will be 5. This is 7. This is 7. This is 6. This is 6. Right. And now we know this, right? So we know the length of triangle EG. Sorry, side EG. Side EG will be equal to 6, which is this part. This part is 5 plus 5 plus 7. Right. So since EG will be equal to FG. FG is, again, if we take this as X, this will be X, and this will be X. This is Y, this will be Y, this will be Y, right? So FG will be equal to X plus 6 plus 7. So EG equals to FG. 6 plus 5 plus 7 equals to X plus x plus 7. We cross this off, x equal to 5. So we know what x is. So apply the same logic here. X plus y plus 6. This side, fe equal to x plus y plus 6. 6 will be equal to eg. We know x is 5 plus y plus 6. 6 plus 7. So we cancel this here, y equal to 7. So in this hexagon, we know now y equal to 7, x equal to 5. So the total perimeter will be equal to x plus y plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6, and we know x is 5, y is 7. So plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6, that will be 10 plus 14 plus 12 will be equal to 36. Answer is E.